How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I just have to make a video on this stock. EVC obviously had earnings, and it just went like straight down a lot. And I just want to give like my opinions on it, my analysis, what my system is telling me that is happening, and just kind of like taking a stance on this and see where we can find a bottom and make massive gains. Obviously, guys, if you haven't aware of too, I am in a premium Discord. I been doing this for a while. I've been doing this system for over 6 years. Back tested it, and it's a good system. So if you guys, after watching this video, do keep in mind there is a Discord of only $6, and you see my exact trade alerts of over 90% win ratio, and you can find that into the YouTube comments and the description. But I want to go into I want to show you guys what I'm seeing and where do I think is going to happen after seeing a lot of these kind of scenarios. And I want to just show you guys something what I see and where we can find a reversal. So obviously, if the price shoots down very fast, my bands cannot catch up, and it is going to be delayed, and it takes time to get there, right? And this is a daily candle you're looking at. So the bottom band is colored green because that is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in right away. It's just a buy zone. The red is a sell. The blue band is where price has to correct to. That's where price is going to, and it will to. Will correct to. Sometimes it takes longer than others, but as we can see, every gap has touches on it. When price goes up and it hasn't touched this gap all the way, within a month to 2 months, price is going to touch it. We just don't know exactly when, but look right here. So let's say right here, price goes down a lot. So we have a touch at 11:08. We get our final touch at 12:28. That was a month time frame. So when you see price getting closer to a month, you start looking for the buy. But it didn't quite get to the green band, but then you can see the rally right there. So it does not mean you buy right away. As you can see, it doesn't work all the time, but most of the time, like this, when it penetrates, those are the best buy signals. As you can see, the rally to the middle band, haven't touched the middle band in a while, you get a touch, and then bam, nice rally right there. So that is what I want to see for the big reversal, right? I want to see, one, it recently touched the middle band at 301, so we're very recent, right? So this is where a lot of people are going to get lured in because they see massive drop around $3, and we're at like a $1.50 now, $1.59. So a lot of retail traders are just rushing into this trade because it has a massive drop, and essentially there is some type of correction, right? You would think, but not all the time. But I will say the one thing I do like is the distance of the black zone right here. I do like how we have massive areas right in here. Right in here is your massive black zone where it could easily correct to. If I am thinking about getting into this just because of this right here. You see this black area right here? This right here is a potential to at least, correct to this top of this green band. It's definitely not going to go to the blue band anytime soon. It's going to probably take a month before it starts raggedly working its way. And when price goes down, this blue band is going to probably meet right, maybe somewhere in this area. We don't know. So I'm going to keep this on my watch with the system. I do like how we are really far down under this band. So having a nice correction bounce is an ideal scenario, right? And if you're looking at the bottom band, it's $2.26. So the price at right now to 226 is amazing gains, right? I don't care about RSI, but it is at 13.70. What I would like to see is one more red candle for that correction bounce. I'm not saying if you're watching this video weeks from now and it's down lower from 1.59, do keep in mind I am learning real time in my Discord entries and exits, so I will be out once I see a nice gain, and I have strict rules on when to take profits, and so you don't hold a bag. So do keep that in mind. I'm not saying this is going to be the big reversal right here. I say we are going to get a nice correction and then making probably a newer low. But I want to see, what I want to see with this system is something like this. Big move down, but I want to see a long scenario of gaps, of not hitting the blue band, and then a candle near the green band when it's been a while, it hasn't hit it, and then you get your move up, going from 390 all the way to 454 is your safest kind of scenario plays. And like right here, just a little gap, but you know, it touched it, make it a nice game. So this play is obviously different according to my system. You would be playing the bottom, the between the lower band and then this gap area in here in this black area is a nice target you would target. So yeah, this system has a lot of scenarios you can play with it. It is pretty nice. Do keep in mind, guys, like I said before, I have a premium Discord, and if you really, it doesn't matter what count size you are. If you only have 100, 500, $1,000, you can make money no matter what, because I'm only charging $6, and you will be grandfathered in for life at $6 a month. And you get my exact trade alerts when I get in, my entries and my exits of how I've been making money consistently for over 6 years. And then you also get a setup video that goes in more detail, where I just talked about EVC, but I have a video that goes way more in detail on how to efficiently use this strategy. I'm giving you a general rule, and I'm trying to let people know what I'm looking for a correction bounce on this. And when I mean a correction, you can make a nice 20 to 30% solid trade on this one. And that is amazing returns if you think about it. So, if not more. So, but it's just nice to have a layout to see what you're looking at. Because if I didn't have this, it'd be looking like this. And a lot of things are be like, okay, we're kind of like shooting darts, like throwing darts out. Okay, I'm just going to randomly buy this candle, then this candle, then the next red candle. It's good to see what we're looking at and see the big picture of the painting, that we got to correct to this blue band. It hasn't been that much time. Well, the bottom band is over here. We can target halfway between there and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, it's only $6. We have the setup video. I have other education resources, trade alerts, and then premium chat where everyone talks about reversals and all that. And also, guys, when you get in, I'm going to put the link at the YouTube comments below and in my YouTube description. It'll be easy to find. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and they are. And what you do is you click that link and you'll go into this free chat. That does not mean you're part of the membership. Do click on the subscription tab down below, hit premium chat, and it'll opt you in to subscribe. And do keep in mind, it is a little cheaper if you do this on a computer. If not, it's just probably like $1 more if you do it on your phone because of the iOS fee. No big deal, right? So, also, guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about stock EVC. Obviously, it's down a lot. I personally am liking it for a correction here very soon. And if you want to know when I get in, join the premium Discord, and you will see my exact entries and exits. And I'll see you guys in there. Peace out.